are going to learn Hindi alphabets. Are you excited? You should be excited because it's gonna be a real fun activity and we're gonna learn Hindi at the same time. So I would like you to gather your Hindi school notebooks so that you refer it at the same time once I will teach you. I would also send you the matter like the charts or the notebook which I am referring and I will teach you by. So gather your notebooks and we shall begin. Okay, so let's start with your first letter. A. A. So how do we write A? First, we make a horizontal line. We make half circle. We make another half circle. We make another horizontal line and then a vertical line. And the word is complete. It's called A. A. A for umbrella. A for anar. A. And then we start with another letter A. 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 A for arm. A for aloo. Aam is called mango in English and aloo is called potato in English. So this is the Hindi version of the word and this is the English version. So that for you to understand. Aloo. So double A, when you combine double A with M, you get that sound. Aloo. So how do we write this letter? We make half circle, another half circle, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, and then a vertical line. It's called A. A for arm. Arm. A for aloo. A. Now we come to the next letter E. E for igloo. E for insect. E. So how do we make E? First, a straight line, a vertical small line, and then half circle, an opposite half circle, and then an arc here. Then it becomes E. E for igloo. E for insect. E. E for igloo. E for insect. E. E. E for Eid. E. E for eek. Eid, we call Eid to the festival which Muslims celebrate, and then eek is called sugar cane in English. So let's begin with how to write E in English. First we make dots, a vertical line and a horizontal line, and then C, and then an arc, and then another arc, and then above a small arc. So when you add small arc to the E, it becomes E. So before we learned E, and now we learned when we added the small arc above, it becomes E. E. E for Eek. Then we come to the next letter. Oo. Oo for Ullu. Oo. Oo for Upahar. Oo. Oo for Ullu. Oo for Upahar. Oo for Ullu. So Ullu is called owl in English. Ullu is a Hindi word and it's called owl in English. Upahar. Upahar is called present in English. Present. What is present? It's a gift. Upahar. You see so many upahars there. An owl also there. U for Ullu. U for Upahar. Now, how do we write U? First, we make a horizontal line, then we make a half circle, and then we make another half circle. So easy, it becomes Oo. Oo. Oo for Ullu. Oo. Oo for Upahar. Oo. Now we begin with another letter. Start another letter which is Oo. Oo. Oo for Oon. Oo for Udbilaf. Udbilaf is a beaver. So please, I will send you this whole page and then you can look up to like this is in Hindi. So what is it in English? It's thread, right? So you will get to know and then I have also drawn the images. You will know like what is this. Oon is a thread. Udbilaf is a animal. Beaver. Okay. Now, how do we write Oo? First, we make a horizontal line, we make a half circle, then we make another half circle, and then a small arc like this. So, when we add this small arc on Oo, it becomes Oo. Oo. Oo for Oon. Oon. Oo for Udbilaf. Right? So let's start with the next letter. Okay, so next letter is Ri. Ri. R-I. Ri. Ri for Rishi. Ri for Rishi. So how do we write Ri? See, there is a Rishi sitting here. Rishi is actually priest in English. Rishi. So first we make a horizontal line and then we make a vertical line. We make a diagonal line like this and then we make a diagonal line in an opposite direction. Right? Can you see? And then we make an arc like this. Then we turn around this arc. Then we turn it around again. And then again slowly, like a small arc in the end, and then the word becomes Rishi. Ri. The word is called Ri. Ri for Rishi. Ri for Rishi. Right? Now we're gonna learn the next letter, which is A. A. A for aliens. A. A-E. A. A. A for apple. Apple. So how do we write A? First we make a horizontal line. We make a straight line and then we make a horizontal line, like we turn it like this. Like this. Then we make another straight line and then we turn it like this. So it becomes A. It becomes A. A. How does it sound? Sound like this, no? A, E, A. It sound like this. A. A for aliens. A for apple. So let's start with your next letter. I. I for Anak. I for Anak. So how do we write I? First, we make a horizontal line. We make a small line like this. Then we turn the line down and make a diagonal line. And then we make a small line like this, and then we turn it around. Then we make a small circle, and then we make a diagonal line like this, intersect it at this point. So it becomes I. So when you add this arc like this on top of A, it becomes I. I for Anak. I for Anak means specs. I for Anak. Now let's start with your next letter, which is O. You see O? So these words which are written next to the Hindi word is actually how it sounds. So for you to understand, how does it sound? Now O. How does O sound? O. O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for orange. O for octopus. Now let's write O. First we make a horizontal line, then we make a half circle, another half circle, a horizontal line parallel to this line, a vertical line like this, another vertical line, we make a small circle, and then we make a line intersecting this point. So it sounds like O. O. Done? O for orange. O for octopus. Let's start with another word. Ang. Ang. Ang for angur. Ang for angur. Angur are grapes. Ang for angur, which is grapes. So how do we write angur? First, how do we write ang? Ang, the alphabet ang. First we make a line like this, and then we make a half circle, another half circle, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and then on a dot on top. So it becomes ang. Ang for angur. Ang. Ang for angur. Now the next letter is aha. Aha. Now aha itself is not a letter. It's actually it's demarked as two dots like this in front of any of the letter which you will learn in Hindi in your next classes. So when you add aha in front of other letters, so it changes the sound of the letter, like pratha, prata, prata, namaha, namaha, aha, aha. So let's learn how to write aha. So what we're gonna do, we just gonna make a like this, and then we're gonna make dots in front of the letter, and then it becomes ah.
A A A A E E E E U U U U Re Re A A I I O O Au Au Ang Ang Aha 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 itself is not a word.
So how did you find the class today? Exciting, right? So please go through the video again and again. Do the repetition. Practice all the words thoroughly. Write it down. It will take time. Keep it easy. Give it a slow start, and then you will definitely learn all the Hindi alphabets and how it sounds. Also, I would like you to gather things from nature, for example, flowers, stems, leaves, anything which please you, and I would like you to make alphabets through the naturistic things which you have picked up. So do this activity for me. It will help you to learn the alphabets, and it would be a fun activity. You will enjoy a lot, and also please do send me a picture once you do this activity. So kids, you have to practice all the letters with the point methods, which I have, which there it is already there in the book. The points and the direction. It will ease you how to draw the letters. So you have to practice all the letters, whatever I will teach you as per the class. And by the end of the week, I will make sure I will see the activity if you have done or not. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.